Welcome to Charan Maths classes, the best maths classes in the world. Today, I'm going to explain you about Introduction to Fractions Part 2. So, in previous video, I explained about what are fractions. I introduced you to fractions. So, today I'm going to tell you about types of fractions. Yes, we know what are fractions. Fractions are nothing but part of whole, but we have to know their types too. So, first, types of fractions. There are two parts of fractions, and both of them are divided into subtypes. So, the meaning of this one is actually there are two parts, group and individual fractions. And both of them are divided into subtypes, means group fractions have different type of fractions, and even individual have different types. Subtypes are nothing but types of types. Yeah, it may sound weird, but it's true. The two types of fractions are, first one is group fractions. Today we'll cover only group fractions. In my next video, I will tell you about individual fractions. The second one are individual fractions. So today we'll discuss about first discuss about group fractions today in this video. Okay. So let's start. Group fractions. Fractions which can be only recognized when there are two or more fractions. Such fractions are called group fractions. See, if we have to first understand the name group fractions. What is group? More than one fraction, right? So when there are only more than one fraction, then only we can recognize the group fractions. So you will be able to understand it more better when you will see few examples. But the subtypes of group fractions. First, you have to know the names of the subtypes. They are easy to remember too. First one is like fractions, unlike fractions. First, we'll take up like fractions and afterwards unlike fractions. So, first one, like fractions. First, we'll see the definition of like fractions. The fractions which are having the same denominator are called as like fractions. So, examples are 3 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5, and 7 by 5. Actually, it has to be like this. It is a typing mistake. Please forgive me. So, see here, the fractions which are having the same denominator are called as like fractions. If you see here, all I hope you know what are numerator and denominator. In my previous video, I explained you about this. So if you have not watched my previous video, I will give you the link of that video in the description. Please check it out. Okay. So 3 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5, and 7 by 5 all have common denominator, that is 5. You can check it here. Numerator does not matter. It may be any type of numerator, any number, but what really matters is denominator. 5, 5, 5. In the above fractions, all the denominators are same, that is 5. Yes, right? So 5. So when we just write 3 by 5, we can't understand. We need at least two fractions to know that are they like or unlike. So when there is only one, we cannot tell are they like. So I hope now we have a basic idea about group fractions. We have at least they have to be more than one fraction, then only we can recognize the type of fractions, group fractions. So I hope you understand what are like fractions. So you may just write down 5 examples, 5 pairs of like fractions. Okay. Now we'll see unlike fractions. It's nothing but like unlike fractions are opposite to like fractions. I hope you would have already understood till now. Okay. Unlike fractions. So these group of fractions are unlike fractions. Why? 2 by 3, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 4 by 5, 4 by 7. Numerator, as usual, does not matter. Denominators matter here. See, there are different denominators here. 3, sorry, my bad. 6, 2, 5, and 7. They doesn't have any same denominators. They have different denominators. Thus, they are called unlike fractions. It's a very simple topic. Now also you can write 5 pairs of unlike fractions. So group fractions are very simple. In my next video, I will take up individual fractions, which are a little difficult, but I guarantee you that I will make it simpler for you. Yes. If Charan maths class is explained, then it will be easy only, right? Okay. Thank you, friends. And in my next video, I'll explain about individual fractions and their subtypes. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to Charan maths classes. And I know that Charan maths classes family always like the video even before starting to watch, and new people can also like my video and share my video to your friends and relatives so that they can also benefit from these videos. And I'll try to upload my next video next week. Okay, thank you, friends, and bye.